Hi, this is Mike Schmitz, and welcome to another weekly tip video. This week, we're going to look at how you can create positive habits with a little reinforcement from a habit tracking app for iOS called Productive. Productive is a simple app that helps you build a routine of life-changing habits. It allows you to set personal goals, track your progress, and motivate yourself to achieve new levels of personal growth. The app is free to use, but offers an in-app purchase of $23.99 US dollars per year for premium features and no limit on the number of habits that you can track. The free version is limited to 5 habits, but even without the in-app purchase, Productive gives you the tools you need to start creating positive habits, track and analyze your progress with statistics, and reminders to help make the positive changes you want to make stick. So let's fire up Productive. And we're going to start from scratch because this first screen is very important. This is going to show you how you can add habits to Productive. To add a habit to Productive, just drag down from the top of the screen, a blue bar appears, and you can release it to create your first habit. You can select from one of the pre-configured areas, or you can write your own. Let's select the health area. And in the health area, there are a bunch of pre-made habits that you can use, or you can create your own by tapping on Write My Own. That's what we're going to do here. And I'm going to create a habit to be tracked in Productive called Read Bible. This is a habit that I want to create, and I want to do it every single morning. So we put in the name of the habit we want to create. We can choose whether we want to do it with or without a timer. We can select the color we want to use. I'm going to select this blue color, and then the icon that we want associated with it. So I'm going to scroll down and select this book icon, and then tap Next in the upper right to go to the next screen, which is where we're going to set the schedule information for this habit. We can choose whether we want to do this daily, weekly, or monthly. I want to do this daily. And we can even select the specific days if we want. I want to do this every day. And we can choose a period of the day that we want to associate with this. I'm going to put it in the morning. I'm not going to add a time or a location. We'll leave it as it is and tap Done. Okay, so now we have one habit in our list under the heading of morning habits. And because I'm recording this screencast in the morning, Productive is going to break the habits down into the appropriate time period and show me only the things that I should be thinking about right now. To illustrate, let's create another habit by pulling down from the top of the screen. This time, let's select a fitness habit, and we'll use the top one here of hitting the gym. Okay, so the name of the habit is pre-configured for us. We're going to do it without a timer. I'll select the color, we'll make it orange, and we'll select the icon. It's got this barbell icon selected already. That one looks fine, so we'll use that. Tap on Next. Then for the schedule here, I want to do this daily, but I don't want to do it every day. So by default, it's going to show me Monday, Wednesday, and Friday as options, and I can toggle these on or off just by tapping on the specific days. In fact, if we toggle off Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, it's going to default back to every day because we've selected daily. I'm going to go back and select Monday, Wednesday, Friday. 3 times a week sounds good for this particular habit. And then I'm going to select afternoon for this one. And again, we'll tap Done. And we can see now that we've got the Read Bible habit, which is available, plus one additional habit, which is going to be available later in the day. If we tap on that link, it takes us to a screen that shows us all of the habits that we have available to be completed today. All right, so we've got a couple habits in the app now. Let's start marking these things off. To complete a habit, just swipe from left to right. We'll get a green indication that the habit is going to be marked as done, and that is going to show up on our streak. Productive is built on the idea of streaks. As you complete things every day and eventually it becomes a habit and it's automatic, you don't have to worry about it anymore. To incentivize you, it tells you how many days in a row you've completed a specific habit. But you can also skip a habit if you want to not do that habit for the particular day, but you don't want to reset your streak information. To do that, you just swipe from right to left to reveal the skip interface. I do not want to mark Hit the Gym as skipped, so we'll leave that for now.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from ScreenCastsOnline. ScreenCastsOnline is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCastsOnline member.